purity.py. Here I have used PyCharm and created two files. One is purity.py and another one is cleaning.py. After creating purity file, I have imported pandas as pd, import numpy as np, and named the class as cleaning, and define the function with the keyword def. Functions are defined in Python using keyword def. This is a constructor, this special function, this underscore underscore init underscore underscore. In bracket I have given self. Python uses self to refer to the current object. Object is the actual real thing that has data and methods. So here self, after which I have named the data set as data. This data, which after creating the object, I will give the real data, and here this is self.data equal to data. That means this is only a blueprint. I am designing here how to handle missing data for various data sets. So I have named the class as cleaning, defined the constructor, and inside the constructor object data is given, self.data equal to data. Next, first function I am defining for filling the missing value with extreme value. Here I have defined function fill with extreme. Self, you should give self first, comma, x as variable. X variable represent the column name. Extreme value is the value with which I have to fill the missing value. So if x not in self.data.columns, print error column x not found. So this is for raising column not found. If column not found, then error will be raised by giving this portion, return self.data. Now this is where I am filling the missing value, that is self.data, x is the column name, is equal to self.data x dot fill na with variable extreme value. I will be giving a value here, then in the actual object function, then actual object, when object is created, I will be giving extreme value inside that to that function. So print self.data. Now another function here to fill missing value with average. To fill missing value with average, I have defined function fill missing value self x method. X is the variable of name of column to be given. This is the method, means which method to choose, mean, median or mode. Here also first, if x not in self data dot columns, return column not found in data frame. This is the error if column is not found. Now if method equal mean, value equal self dot data x dot mean. So if method, variable method is given as mean, then the value is equal to self dot data x dot mean. This is taking a bit time. like this, and I have created different functions for filling missing value. I have also created functions for filling missing value with forward fill, and also fill missing value with the backward fill. I have created different functions. See here, filling missing value with the method missing value with different methods. Self.datax.mean value equals self elif method equal median, then value equals self.dex dot median, elif method equal mode, value equals self.datax.mode. Here this are giving in closed bracket, we will be giving 0, else better invalid method, choose mean, median or mode. Now how to fill the missing value? Self.datax is equal to self.datax dot fill na with the value. So value is can be either this mean, median or mode. So another function for forward filling, self x is the name of the column. Import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. So I have given condition to raise value error if column not found, as in the same previous cases. Then self dot replace. This is used when there are no missing values. If it is a string without any value, then the Python cannot understand what it means, there is missing value. So replace it by np.nan if it is a string without any value. To consider it as missing value, we will replace it by np.nan. So here self.data.replace, replace this data. This means replace this data with np.nan. Self.datax equals self.datax.fillNA, method equal ffill. So forward filling, print self.data. The same way I have created a function for backward filling here, backward filling, and also a function for deleting rows. We have already studied that in experiments, when the rows are exchangeable, we can delete the rows sometimes. So if the value is missing, so here I have created function for deleting rows also. Now in the same file, I have imported 4 data sets. Data 1, that is our age data, registration of birth and death data. Data 2, data 3, data 4, data 5. I have named this as data 1, data 2, data 4, data 5. And here I have created object. First object is A and called class cleaning, and inside cleaning I have given the object data 1. A equal to cleaning, I have given the data 1, and data 1 is birth registration data. I will show you the data sets. One is registration of birth and death data, that is registration ID, age. Here age contains missing values which is to be replaced by age contains missing values to be replaced by extreme value, date of birth, gender, place of birth, birth order. And also So filling this data, I have given the imported the data 1. I have taken only small data sets. So you will be by doing with small data sets, we will always help us to, this will always help us to deal with bigger data sets. So A is the object, cleaning data 1. A dot, I have given the function name here, fill with extreme, variable names. So variable is the column name, age is to be filled, extreme value I have given as variable which is to be filled by 999. Now B I have taken cleaning data 2. Data 2 is the our second data where the response time data which I have shown you, I have shown to you, uh, that is response time, method is mean, C is cleaning data 4. So B dot fill missing value, fill response time is our column and it is filled by average mean. C, the object is for used for filling missing values with the for data 4. This class name cleaning data 4. Here I use function forward filling where the place population data, C dot forward filling place. Place is the variable, is the column name. D is equal to cleaning data 5. D dot backward filling, the column name, place is here. The object dot the function name, bracket in bracket, variables are given. So this is how object oriented programming works. You can either write all these objects in the same file, or you can use a separate file. Here I have also taken a separate file, cleaning.py, and in cleaning.py I have imported this cleaning class. This sheet 2 contains, sheet 1 contains registration of birth and death data. Then data 2, that is sheet 2 contains response time data to be filled by mean. Here